Good day guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In our previous lecture we talked about how to place a conditional format on the data. Today we are going to talk about how to insert images on a worksheet. Now let's get started. So before you can insert image in an Excel, the first step is to go to insert. Then the second step is go to picture on the bar here. So now let me select the image I need. Okay, let me choose this, click on insert. Now you can see the image here, so let me try to resize it to fit in the required speed I actually needed. Let me resize it. Let me resize it. Okay, you can see. So I can place it on here. So let me resize so that it fits to the cell. Let me join into the cell here. Make a little bit better. You can see. Okay, good. So I can likewise copy this image down to the end here too. So paste. Sorry, copy. Ctrl C. Then paste. Ctrl V. You can see. So in so doing, I've been able to teach you how to import images in an Excel worksheet. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.